Watch the seat. A customer of mine came in with a 61 Cadillac and the flat tire. In order to remove the tire from this car, we have to remove the skirt first. We have to raise the back of the car up with the jack. We put the jack stand here for safety. You don't want the car falling on you. I'm about to remove the skirt off, so I'm going to take the rim off. So in order to take the rim off, I have to remove the skirt. And there's a nut, there's a bolt down here to turn. To remove the skirt, I have to turn this bolt here to release the latch. And there it is, released. See, it's released. And here comes the skirt. Now we have to remove the hubcap. It's pretty simple. Now I'm about to remove the hubcap from the Cadillac. I don't know if I say Cadillac. To remove this rim from the Cadillac, 61 Cadillac, I'm using my Blue Point air gun. Here we go. Put the rim back on the Cadillac, we're going to replace the hubcap back on. Pretty simple. You put the hubcap on, make sure it's lined perfectly straight. You're all ready to put it back on. Okay. I don't have a metal hammer. I don't have a rubber mallet to pop back on the hubcap, so what I'm using is a rag and a metal hammer. Gently. You hear it pop back into place? Now I'm going to replace this skirt back on the Cadillac now that I have the rim and hubcap back on and the tire fixed. Make sure you line this hook and this hook, and make sure once you have this skirt back in, make sure you turn this latch all the way in until it locks back in place. And there's the lock right there. Now that we got the skirt back in, let's make sure this latch is back in place where it belongs. If not, the skirt will fall off. You can also use this wrench for taking off the skirt and putting it right back on again. Now we're going to lower the car gently down. So you are all done.
Working harder.